If you want to enable Composer 2 in Cursor AI, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a moment. Composer 2 can help streamline your workflow inside Cursor, so if you've been looking for the right setting, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look for the gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open your Cursor settings panel. This is where you'll find the main app preferences and model options. After the settings window opens, go to the model section. This is the area where Cursor lets you choose and manage different AI model options. Scroll through the available settings until you find the Composer 2 option. If Composer 2 is available in your version of Cursor, you should see a toggle next to it. Now simply turn the Composer 2 toggle on. That's the main step. Once the toggle is enabled, Cursor will activate Composer 2 for your workflow. In some cases, the change may apply immediately, while in other cases, you may need to refresh the app or restart Cursor so the new setting fully takes effect. If you don't see Composer 2 right away, double check that you're in the Models tab and not another settings section. Also, make sure your Cursor app is updated because some features may depend on the latest version. If the option still isn't showing, it could be tied to availability or account access, so checking for updates is always a smart move. Once Composer 2 is turned on, you can go back to your workspace and start using Cursor with the updated model setting. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you want to work more efficiently inside the editor. And that's it. You've now enabled Composer 2 in Cursor AI. It only takes a few clicks, but now you know exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Cursor AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.